Our easy switch from blow to vac is a game changer and a time saver. A high-performance blower, yard vac, and mulcher, the WORX TRIVAC 3-in-1 isn't a new starter for your yard work team, it's your whole roster. Weighing in at just 8.8 pounds and boasting high-capacity air volume, TRIVAC can tackle any yard task. Change the game from blow to vac in the flick of a switch. Conquer light and heavy debris in every corner of your yard. Mulch 16 bags worth of debris into one and retire early. Team up with TRIVAC, your yard work champion.
One company stands out for being at the leading edge of innovation. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 compact mower, powered by the 20-volt max interchangeable lithium-ion battery system. The 3-in-1 with its revolutionary deck design quickly and easily converts from a mower to a trimmer, featuring a power drive transmission for getting those trimming and edging jobs done fast. The complete solution for smaller lawns. BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 compact mower.